Sophia, come up, Sophia. Come on, give it up for Sophia. All right, and I'm gonna be on it. So let's see what happens because we're improving now. Let's see.
Hi, boss. Yeah, it's Nikki. Yeah, I'm at the bus stop now. Just coming up. I might be a wee bit late, but I'm here. I'm at the bus stop, so I'm just gonna wait for the bus. Yeah. Okay. See you soon.
Yeah, I'll be there soon. Okay. Yeah, I just gotta. I'll catch the bus. Yeah. Excuse me. I've been walking for so long. I live down there.
Well, I live up there.
So you actually walk down. I had to walk up. Can I?
Right.
I know you're a
I
lady.
live
I know
there.
you're a lady, but you just live there.
Yeah, but I live that way.
I know, but
I'm
I
tired.
really need to see.
No, I was here first.
Fine. Hello?
Oh my god! Yes, thank- oh my goodness! Got my towel. There's only one seat. New matches won't hurt.
Hi! I'm not serious.
No,
I cannot do
my
that.
seat. Get out. But I was here first.
Just look, you're a lady.
Jay, you know that's a stupid idea.
I'm pregnant. And I really need to sit down. Oh my gosh.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Are you serious?
I'm so too serious.
No, I think
Oh
I know
my
you.
gosh,
No.
my water's breaking!
What? I think I'm gonna use this now.
My gosh, bus is typing forever.
Oh! Justin Bieber is in town. Justin Bieber is in. He's here. You gotta go see him. Yeah, don't you want an autograph?
Just sign.
Come on! He's here. Look. Thanks. Thank you. Yes. I'm so smart. I'm so clever. Sometimes just
You
just
lied.
amazing.
You lied in my face.
Yeah.
I didn't want to come to this. But got a few lollies.